iPhoto is a legacy Mac app, while most users now use the Photos app to manage images. If you want to upload photos from Mac to Facebook, this guide shows simple step-by-step methods to share your memories easily. Part 1. Why upload photos from Mac to Facebook? Uploading photos from Mac to Facebook is a simple way to share memories. A Mac makes it easier to select, organize, and upload photos in batches, especially for large albums, while also keeping your friends and family instantly updated. Part 2. Upload photos from Mac to Facebook using Photos app. Open Photos app on Mac. Select Photos or Album, hold Command for multiple. Click Share Up arrow icon. Choose Facebook. Log in if needed. Add caption. Choose Album Timeline. Click Post. Part 3. Upload pictures from Mac to Facebook via web browser. Open browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your account. Click Photo Video or Create Post. Upload or drag photos from Mac. Add caption, tags, and privacy. Click Post to publish. Part 4. Upload photos from Mac Photos app to Facebook using Finder. Open Finder and find your photos. Select images, hold Command for multiple. Open Facebook in browser. Drag photos into post box. Wait for upload. Add caption. Set privacy. Click Post. Part 5. Upload photos from Mac to Facebook using iCloud Photos. Go to iCloud.com and sign in. Open Photos in iCloud. Select and download photos to Mac. Open Facebook and log in. Click Photo Video or Create Post. Upload images from Mac. Add caption and click Post. Bonus: transfer iPhone photos to Mac before uploading to Facebook. Many users take photos on iPhone and later upload them from Mac to Facebook. First, transfer photos from iPhone to Mac for easier management. Mobikin Assistant for iOS helps you quickly move photos and other data to your computer. How to back up iPhone videos with Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Download and install the software on your PC. Once the installation is complete, launch the program. Connect your iPhone to the Mac using a USB cable. Make sure your device is unlocked, and tap "Trust this computer" if prompted. Step 2. After the device is successfully detected, click the Photos tab from the left sidebar in the software interface. You will be able to browse all photos stored on your iPhone. Select the images you want to transfer. You can choose multiple photos at once for batch export. Step 3. Click the Export button and choose a destination folder on your Mac to save the photos. The transfer process will start immediately. Once it is finished, open the selected folder to check and confirm that all photos have been successfully transferred.